Hello everyone, it's Ozgun here. Welcome to the channel. Today I like to show you a new platform that I discovered, which is the Booking Agent.io. So the Booking Agent.io is the best tool to find the contact information of the music clubs, the venues and the talent buyers. So whenever you wanna perform in a gig or, organize your own tour, you need to have the contact information who is in charge to book the artists for the clubs, right? So they call the talent buyers. So with the Booking Agent.io, you can just find the contact information for these talent buyers with just one click. So if you're ready, let me demonstrate you how the Booking Agent.io works in action. So guys, this is the tool and all you gotta do is just write an artist name to here. Let's start with Ollie James and you click search. This is not taking the results from a database. This is just a real-time search engine. And as you see, whenever the search is going on, we are starting to get some dates. And whenever we click to the dates, we will just get the name of the club, all the contact information for the club, the socials, whatever it can find online. And also we will be able to get the contact information for the talent buyer, for the person who is in charge to book DJs for the clubs. So let me turn off my camera because it's gonna probably clash with some information. So as you see, we got some dates in the website. And for example, we can just click here and we can see in the August of 4, the last year where Ollie James performed in Germany. We can see the club name, Boathouse. We can see the website of the club, like the contact information for the club. We can see the socials. We can check the club, for example, with its Instagram page to get, more information about the club. And you see other informations as well. For example, are there any upcoming concerts scheduled for this club? It says 4 upcoming concerts from now. Sometimes it shows the capacity also. And then if you want to find the information of the talent buyer, for this venue, for the person who is in charge for organizing events, we can just click find contacts in here. And it shows us Stefan March is the responsible for booking the DJs, the artists for this club. We can find his LinkedIn in the website, so we can just write him from here if we need it. Also, for a more personal direct approach, you can use the email address for this talent buyer. It says the email score is 97, so this score is obviously better. The 100 is the maximum score, so this email address is legitimate. You can just reach him from email, or if you like, you can reach him from the LinkedIn. So yeah, guys, as you see, this is very easy to use, very straightforward website. And also you can create a database in here. For example, I already has a possible US tour database. Let me show what it means. I can click create new project in here and I can say that my Europa tour. And then it created this my Europa tour project. It says I'm calling it database. And then, for example, I can just save this venue to my Europa Tour database. And then if I go to my saved venues in here, so you can just make a list for yourself and you can see the Boathouse in my Europa Tour that you just saved. So let's go back to tool. Maybe this time we can search for with Sparks and see where he performs and if we can be able to find the contact information for the talent buyers. So guys, let me move my face so it doesn't clash with the screen this time. And let's search for some US concerts for Will Sparks. So let's click this one. He performed in 23rd November this year in the Temple nightclub in Broadway, Denver, Colorado. You can see the venue website. As you see, you can see all the information about the venue in here. You can find the socials, all other stuff about the club. And then you can see if this club has any upcoming concerts, capacity not found again. And also we got the email addresses for this club. Let's find the talent buyer, which is most important information about booking gigs in this club. And we got the information, Kyle Palmer. We got his LinkedIn. We can even message him from here. And also we got Kyle at templedenver.com email address for his contact. And also we can reach him from this email address. And maybe we can choose one more venue, which is Echostage. This is in Washington. So it has 34 upcoming concerts in this club. We got all the information for this club, like the website and the socials as well. And then all we gotta do is click contact, find contact for this venue, and let's see, are we gonna get the talent buyer information again? We got this. Heather Church. Yeah, she's apparently responsible for hosting events, like finding the artists and the DJs for this club. And as you see in his LinkedIn profile, you can see she is talent and marketing at Club Glove, Echostage, and Soundcheck. So she's in charge to book events for the 3 of the clubs in US. As you see, we also got her email as well. Yeah, guys, this is how you use this website. And for example, I can just save this venue in my possible US tour, and then it just saved to this project, like this database. And I don't know, lastly, let's go back to tool and search for Danny Avila. And as you see, when the search is still going on, we are getting tons of venues. Yeah, it's like you don't see all the dates in here. For example, if you zoom, for example, it says in the Germany 5. If you click there, you see all the 5 of the venues when you zoom in, like 1 in here, 2 in here. We can zoom in and see, we can zoom out. There are 2 more in the Hamburg. You can click this. And again, you can see that kind of information. So there are more information, but you don't see them all as the dates in the first look. You need to click the numbers to zoom in and see it in more detail. Because when the venues are too close to each other, I think not to overlap them. You just see the overall numbers of them, which is pretty nice user interface design. So the search is still going on. And search is complete. Let's go to New York. So near Long Island. He performed in Musica, New York. We can find the website of the club. And then we can, of course, find the email address this time for reservations. We can see, and let's see if we can find the talent buyer of this club. And yes, we got Peter Gangi as the information for the talent buyer for this club. We got the LinkedIn, we got the email address, and the email score is 99. So for example, I can also save this venue for my possible US tour, and then I know who to contact, where to perform, who to contact if I like to perform in this kind of clubs, who is in charge to book to DJs and the performers, the artists for this specific venue. And as you see, guys, whenever I click the talent buyer contact information button, my credits are reducing. The website is working like that. Let me open the pricing for you. It has 3 of the different tiers for the website, and the credits are only reducing whenever you just click the contact information for the talent buyer. Other than that, you can make unlimited searches in the website and it won't reduce your credits. So you can have unlimited venue search for your favorite artists and get the venue emails and all the information about the menu, the socials, the upcoming concerts, whatever, all the information it is. It's unlimited to search. Your credits are only gonna reduce whenever you just search for the talent buyers information. So this is the monthly prices and this is the yearly prices. Of course, the yearly prices are a little bit cheaper. So you can check the links in the description to get more information about the website. And if you have any questions, you can also write me in the comment section, or you can write the support of the booking agent IO. They will gladly help you on any topic you ask them. So yeah, guys, I think the booking agent IO is the best tool to get the contact information for the organizers for the venues. Because this is a real-time search engine, like if you make a search next week, you will get totally different and new results. So I think that's the most special thing in the website. The AI is making the hard job for you in all over the world real-time. So it's definitely a perfect time savior. And who knows, maybe it's the key for your next big gig, in these big clubs. So today that was it, guys. I hope this information is useful for you. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.